presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Classic Express. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, Sirius XM satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear view day-night mirror, overhead console, GPS antenna, input temperature and compass gauge, bright white clear coat, remote keyless entry with all secure, express black accent package included, black exterior truck badging, black Ram head tailgate badge, full-size temporary use spare tire, 4x4 flat black badge, black headlamp bezels, semi-gloss black hub wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches semi-gloss black aluminum body color grille with black Ram's head tires, P275/60R20 BS.